You searched how to buy shares of HITI Inc. The company operates in the cannabis retail and lifestyle sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HITI. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy HITI, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Open the platform search and type the ticker HITI to find the company listing. Make sure you select the HITI Inc. entry listed on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm basic details about the business. Double-check that the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker HITI to ensure it is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review the order summary and then confirm. The platform will show execution details and any applicable fees. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type, and if you lack sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade executes, your HITI position will appear in your portfolio and show updates. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.